Since the release of our intervention manual, Bridge the Gap, we have received many requests for intervention books for kindergarten and first grade classrooms. The good news is, if you're using our kindergarten or primary curriculum, you do not need a new manual to provide interventions for your students. Instead, you can use those Tier 1 manuals to support students in small group or one-on-one instruction. During our Tier 1 instruction, students are engaged in 8 phonological or phonemic awareness skills, as well as 2 early literacy skills, making up a total of 10 skills each day. As we think about our small group or one-on-one intervention, we would not focus on all 10 skills, but rather target students' specific needs, focusing on 2 to 3 phonemic awareness skills. You would identify those needs using a phonemic awareness assessment, which you may already have. If you do not have an assessment, you can find assessments on our website at hegarty.org. Once you administer those assessments, look at the areas of student need and focus again on just 2 or 3 phonemic awareness skills. For example, you may assess a student and identify they are able to isolate phonemes, initial, final, and medial sounds, and they can blend and segment at that phonological level, working with compound words, syllables, onset rhyme, and even phonemes, but just 2 phonemes. As they get into those 3 sounds, they may begin to struggle. Use those index pages and the preface pages of your manual. Identify the weeks we are blending and segmenting 3 phonemes. That can be the words that you use for your intervention or one-on-one group. Those index of skills, again, can be found in the preface pages of your manual. And as you progress monitor students, you can choose to use words from those lessons or find additional phonemic awareness assessments focusing on just those 2 targeted skills. We hope this helps you navigate your intervention or small group instruction for phonemic awareness.